Hey everybody, this is Dave coming at you from Grand Blanc. About ready to jack up this wall. Took us a couple days to lay it out and do it. You can see that it's a wall that actually goes from inside of the house, and then it just comes out on this muddy mess. And just to show you how muddy it is, let's see. Oh, muddy. Anyways, that's what we got going. I've seen it a lot of times where in garages you'll see like a double bottom plate. You'll see the pressure treated, and that's what we did. It made sense to put the pressure treated down, and then you get more of a general idea where level is and what your full length stud measurement should be. So hopefully we got it. We had a laser and the laser didn't work. It didn't pick up anything. But then when I put my level across this entire wall, it was perfectly level in every spot I checked. So I'm just risking it, and we just built the wall. And we put bracing on just in case the wall slips off. We added a 2x on the inside of the 2x6 for something for the wall to actually rest on, and then chalk the line. But anyways, we're about ready to jack this up. Ready, Justin?
Ready.
Ready. He says he's ready. And we have a half hour to do it because I got to pick up my buddy from work. And little does Greg know, if we get into a little pinch, we might have to pick him up from work and say, Greg, we're having a problem with the wall. Come and help us. Hopefully that won't be the case, but here we go. I'm going to put my phone hopefully where I can leave it running so you can, for once, you can watch me work instead of just talking about it. Got these 3 jacks all set up. They work really good. Sometimes it's a pain in the butt to get the board through down there, and then you want to pin it, and then once we jack it up a little bit, we'll shoot in the back side of it into that one so it doesn't slip. Here we go. All right, Justin, let me see if I can find a good spot to put this.
How about you turn your video off there and then you switch it to the time lapse? No one wants to sit through and watch half an hour of us jacking up a wall.
Yeah, they do.
This is when you cut to the time lapse.
My YouTube subscribers should be sending me big fat checks for my high-tech editing I do. All right, let's go. So that's a span on that one. Right here, that's a pretty big span. All right, let's shoot that in just to be safe. Yeah! Oh, no nails. It's one heck of a time to run out of nails, but it happens all the time. Ready? Wow, that is bone.
Whoa, there goes the other one.
Make sure you don't get under it. Ooh. That didn't feel like I had much weight on it at all, did it?
Nope. Whoa, you better go over to that edge, Jack. We might not even need to do the middle jack now.
Yeah, maybe not.
Let's just get it all the way there.
Okay, remember, we want to go a little slower once we don't want to put a ton of pressure on them. I think we should still jack it,
Yeah.
just to keep it as a fuel safe.
I could do it with just the middle jack.
Whoa, easy. Easy, 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 easy. Okay, at this point, hold the wall. Just wait. Don't worry about those jacks now. Yeah, just hold it right there.
Oh, I forgot, we gotta move the whole wall.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're going to, I'll put we should probably strap that right there temporarily. Hold it, Justin, don't be touching that anymore. We don't want it to go past it. Because those brackets, they're not all, you can see it's still 2 inches away from there. Let's brace the wall. Let's just let's just plumb it. some 2x6s, the full lengths. We'll pull this to plumb, and we'll brace it. On a couple. Hold on, don't move that. Don't do that, don't do that. It's just gonna push. I know, we'll do it by hand, because this thing, if we shift it too fast. And that's how you do it, folks. Hopefully you guys saw that. But now the wall, we don't want to jack it too far. You can see that the boards that are supposed to be holding it, if it went too, it's, you know, it'll hold it, but we don't want to go too far. We're just going to hold it plumb for now. The tricky part about this wall is the fact that now it's all that weight is sitting on top of bolts that stick up a little bit. I cut the bottom of this plate to fit the bolts in, but you can see that this wall still has to come over about 2 inches. So that's going to be fun, but I think that's going to be for tomorrow. But yeah, that's how you jack it up. These jacks work really good. They're expensive. They're like $180 a piece, but they work and it's safe. And you don't have to hire 15 guys, because this wall is really heavy and it would be really miserable in the mud and people would be slipping and it just wouldn't be safe. But anyways, Dave from Grand Blank signing off. We'll see you later.